Okay, what was the problem you were suffering from?
The kidney stone.
Kidney stone.
Kidney stone.
How big was the stone?
The first one I don't know.
Okay.
But second one was 4 millimeters.
Okay.
And the first one came out from the kidney.
Okay.
And I got endoscopy. I don't know.
Ultrasound.
They destroy. They broke.
Laser.
No, with laser. Like here from.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't know. Endoscopy. I don't know what the name was.
Okay.
And they destroyed the stone.
Mm-hmm.
But still the one in the kidney, in the left kidney, stayed.
Okay.
And when I came here,
yeah,
and I took the four medicines, yes.
It's like Mutra Krishantak and
also
Varuna
I have followed your diet, what you said to eat and what you said to do not eat. I followed that.
Okay.
Exactly as you said.
This diet.
Yes, and the results were like 1 month after, no stone in my kidney.
That's very good. Since when you were having the stones?
January 2013. When the first one came out,
2 years.
I got sick.
Okay.
And that I discovered that I have stone. Before I didn't know. Maybe I had it, but I didn't know.
Did you ever suffer from the pain of stone?
No.
There was no pain.
No.
But there were stones and they were discovered in the test. Okay. And so what you would like to tell
to
others?
Use and respect Ayurveda, because before I came here, I took all what I hear.
Okay.
My friend, what she was yesterday here, doesn't matter. She gave me some liquid.
Okay.
And like half liter to drink that half and half in 2 days. But I could understand, the first time I didn't understand why she told me 1 day after to drink first one and 1 day stop and after that again, because that was big disaster.
Okay.
I never ever will try again to drink that. It was very bad. Also I tried, I took
Themian, okay.
You know?
I know.
Themian.
Yeah.
3 drops, no drops, 3, what is the name of that? 3 pieces.
Means you tried so many other things.
Yes, so many other things.
And they didn't work.
And after that, on 31st of May, I went in the hospital and they treated me as they knew. They destroyed they broke the stone, the first one. But second, the doctor said it will stay there
forever. Okay.
For maybe forever, yes.
Yeah.
Because he told me that is that stay in the kidney and it's not chance to go out like that.
That was in some other place, some complicated area of the kidney where it is not.
It was outside. I didn't. My kidney work normal. I didn't have problem with the.
Okay.
The kidney.
It was in the other area.
In the kidney, but didn't destroy the kidney work proper.
Okay. Yeah.
And he told me that will never ever come out. But again, that is like bomb in the.
He said it will never ever come out.
Yes, it will stay in kidney, and I don't have problem. But I didn't accept that as right, and I came here, and I found the way how to this.
Okay, now you are telling everybody about this.
Yes, I am walking commercial.
Thank you very much. Thank you. It will help so many people. Your information, your testimonial, it will help so many people who are trying their best to get different remedies for stones and for other problems. and it will help. Thank you very much for this.
You're welcome, and I am so happy and I am so grateful because you solved my problem.
Thank you.